Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back here with Max Kitchen, and today I decided for the first time to go outside and record this video because I want to stay outside as well. You know, it's summer, it's a beautiful and shiny day, and I want to enjoy also the nature, as I like to say. And guys, today I want to make with you this pear cake. I love pear tart. I personally literally love pear tart, and today I decided to put some pear into a cake, and we are gonna give an extra kick to it with cocoa powder instead of chocolate, because I think chocolate is there is lots of sugar in it, so I prefer kind of balance the quantity of sugar and the taste, the flavor, everything, because I wanna just make you happy, guys. So now let's start. First off, guys, I wanna start with the mix. Simply add melted butter into a very large bowl, and then sugar. You can use granulated sugar or icing sugar. Lightly whipped with a simple hand mixer. If you have a stand mixer, it's gonna be even better, easier. Then we start to add 1 egg at a time. In total we need 2 eggs. So lightly whip again, and we go with the second egg. Make sure you don't add both eggs in once, because it's gonna be a bit harder to incorporate both eggs in one shot. And now it's time to sift our dry ingredients, which are flour, cocoa powder, and in the end we are going to add the last ingredients, which is baking powder. Guys, if you don't know the recipe, don't worry, just scroll down and you can see in the description all the ingredients and whatever you wanna see, also baking time, baking temperature, and everything. Now mix again with a hand mixer until you get this beautiful chocolate consistency. Look how beautiful it is. It looks like if there is chocolate in it. Actually, there is no chocolate. Now, pear, I like to go for 1 pear, but to be honest, if you can add 2 pear into the mix, it's gonna be probably even better. Just turn the pear into small cubes and pour the small pieces of pear into the mix. And now, just before transfer the mix into the tin, I want to tell you that the tin, also if it's a non-stick tin, I suggest you to butter and flour, because you want to make sure that nothing is going to stick on it. But if you don't have flour, extra flour, or you want to make your kitchen even cleaner, you can use oil or butter, melted butter, with parchment paper. So instead of flour, you use parchment paper. So nothing else, but make sure you do it, because you want to make sure that it's going to be easy to remove the cake from the tin when it's baked. Now just flat it with a simple spoon or spatula, and it's ready to bake it. And this is the result. Guys, for baking time, baking temperature, and all the tips, just check the description below the video. There you can find, like I said, all the tips and tricks. Now it's done, guys. Nothing else. Look how beautiful it is. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, and I'll see you in the next video here with Max Kitchen.